So you are traveling for your summer vacations, but you only have your compact camera with you. You don't have your gear, you don't have any gimbal, and many of the stuff that you use normally are left home. Let's see how to overcome a few challenges that you might incur into. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thomas Love here from beautiful Lake Como, Italy. And as you know, for this long Italian summer, I'm only using my compact Lumix LX15, which I have with me. But what if you want to use it to record some B-roll and you don't have your gimbal, you don't have a tripod, you don't have any way to stabilize the footage? What we normally do is to use a strap around our neck as a third attachment point, so then you can keep it this way, and when it's to the max extension, as you can see, the camera is kind of stabilized. But what if the holes that you have on the side don't allow to lock the strap in? Well, I found a little solution, which is a trick, and I'm gonna show you how to do that. Alright, so whatever strap you have already will do the work. I had this one which I use with my Leica, therefore I tried to put it, but the very first thing that I saw is that this hook is way too strong for the little metal attachment on the camera, so we risk damaging the camera. What is the solution that I found? Of course, you will find a little textile almost everywhere in every box or accessory that you purchase, and then that's ideal to hook the camera with, because it's soft and you won't damage it. So you make a very simple knot right here and you have your attachment for the strap. Once you do it on this side, then on the other side you don't want to take in and out the wrist strap that you already have. So what do you use? I tend to use a carabiner, so it's a quick release. In case you don't need to shoot video, you can eventually remove everything on the spot in a minute. And there you go, you have your camera with the strap as a third anchor point. Keep it to the max extension and you will see it really helps anytime that you need to record or to do some panning, like in this case, or even if you want to keep it for like stable shots, like I'm showcasing here. It really helps you, because with the arms otherwise you will be bouncing around if you don't have a gimbal at hand. So stay tuned for other tricks, because we will keep going with this long Italian summer. I'm only using a compact camera because I didn't want to compromise on image quality, but yes, I wanted to be very pocketable and lightweight in everything. Double check what I have in my camera bag, double check the results. So with that, I hope you got some value out of this video. If you did, please remember to like it, share it on your social media, subscribe to the channel so you won't miss the new videos to come, and I guess I will see you later. Thank you, bye bye.